some that we had earlier because we've got a system that is going to be arriving in just a number of hours with snow for West Michigan. Now, yeah, snow develops late tonight, as early as maybe 10, 11 o'clock or so for extreme southern sections. Going to be a while. Things have been slowing down by a few hours, if not several hours, with this system on the models over the past couple of days. I think snow waits until around maybe 1 in the morning or so in Grand Rapids. As the system departs tomorrow, it is going to be drawing down some cold air on its backhand side. So we'll have highs in the mid-20s, it does appear. And not tomorrow, because the system will be on top of us, wrapping in some somewhat milder air to some degree. It'll be up around 30 degrees, but mid-20s thereafter for the remainder of this work week. A sloppy system perhaps next weekend. A lot of variables on that one, but that could be something to watch for late at night Saturday and into Sunday. These are the winter weather advisories, though, in the purple shaded counties. What's interesting is that, I don't think we've had winter storm warnings at all this late fall and winter, which is just incredible. It's all been winter weather advisories, which means you're dealing with a moderate type of snow, if that. Sometimes these are issued for even lesser amounts, but 2 to 3 inches off in this general northern corridor of counties. You get southward into Kent County, including Grand Rapids, to Kalamazoo, Battle Creek, a solid 3 to 4 inches, I'm thinking. And then once you get far enough to the south and the southeast, probably, again, down to about 2 to 3 inches. Everybody's going to get a solid coating of snow here, though, on the order of a few inches.
3.5 for us.
Off the European model. Of course, folks, models are never going to be perfect, but there is some consensus here that I think 3 to 4 inches is the main bullseye zone for the majority of us. Always there's somebody that checks in with a little bit more and a little bit less. Keep an eye on this system as it does get closer. The snow out to the west and not reaching the ground initially over the Chicagoland area, but once you get into those deeper purples, certainly over western Illinois and into Iowa, it's coming down pretty decently. If you look closely, there is a bit of a circulation in the atmosphere over Missouri. The upper level dynamic shifting off to the north and the east does not have a whole lot of Gulf of Mexico moisture with it. The front side of the system has been shunted towards the east coast, and that's the reason why we're not dealing with a mammoth winter storm around here, but it will be enough to cause some big-time problems as you're headed out the doors early on Tuesday morning. Another system, a spiral across Southern California. This is going to be a big player along the east coast. This one will quickly follow the one that's impacting us tomorrow morning. It will cause some serious snow in the mid-Atlantic states just several days down the line. Some cold air, there it is, getting ready to dump in behind the system for the middle of the week. So we will be going below normal with our daytime highs. I think probably 25, 26 for a high for Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Here's the numbers on the board. As you know, with a little sunshine this afternoon, got some melting of snow. It's really not feeling too bad on these northeast and east winds, which have been picking up a little bit recently. That's a common phenomenon as you get an area of low pressure approaching from the southwest. Let's watch the snowfall expand. This is at 9 o'clock on the time code, showing some snow flurries and light snow across our southernmost counties, lifting northward slowly but surely, county row by county row, such that Grand Rapids, maybe 12:30, 1 a.m., snow comes in, and it will be heavy at times in the overnight. So by the time you wake up, there's going to be a decent accumulation on the ground and the roadways likely. Then it becomes lighter late morning into the afternoon and then breaks down before it has a chance to really start to pile up around here. Fox 17 7-day planner. Take a look at this. It's going to be cold. I mean, we
10.
Weather this cold until about now. Heavy winter coat, your hat and gloves. I'm going to track that next system. We'll talk more about that coming up too. Could provide some snow by Sunday.
All right. Thank you for that, Anthony. Grand Rapids Police.